Oranges and citrus fruits in general are a bit special. First of all, you need to cut the orange in this orientation so that the moisture can get out of the actual cells. That is important, will accelerate the drying process a lot. Second, of course, you should peel it. I was too lazy for that now, but of course the orange should be peeled well. Second, I suggest you place those not on top of each other, but really nicely spread out over a baking paper on the drawers of the machine. And one very important thing to remember is that in order to keep the material packed or stored, you will need to flush the chamber with nitrogen at the end of the drying process, and ideally also use nitrogen when you are packing the material. You can do that in two different ways. For one, you can buy a bottle of nitrogen. That will be, if you don't do it often, this is the best version. If you often dry citrus fruits, then we suggest you buy one of our nitrogen generators. This generator will generate enough nitrogen to flood the chamber after, say, 24 or 30 hours. Usually drying oranges will rather take up to 48 hours, and then it will leave also some nitrogen to use it in a small packing machine.